The Squarespace Enterprise Dashboard empowers you to manage all your brand's websites in a single place. Admins can simply log in with their account information, or SSO, to see all sites that fall under their organization. Clicking titles takes you to each site layout to make edits, and all sites stay in trial mode until expressly activated. Admins can do this by clicking the ellipses button, followed by the Activate Website option. Sites aren't publicly visible or billable until activated, which gives your team freedom to experiment risk-free with as many trial sites they need. Another feature exclusive to the Enterprise Dashboard is the ability to launch organization templates. To set the standard for your company's site creation, simply build a site with your desired attributes and click Convert to Template. This makes it available for your teams to access and customize when they create a new website. They can find it by selecting Start with Organization Templates. The Squarespace Enterprise Dashboard is built for growing businesses with scaling content needs. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.